Verb forms: test, on, ke on. Test mean on, ke on. Sha on, chinewako on. Exam, on indeed. Exam lodano on indeed. Assignment a latching ka university a latching. Homework a latching ka primary kana secondary. School ki dul gorgaman la primary man ngot pin kana secondary man ngot pin. Homework shwale latching. Assignment a latching ka university ki college. Exam a on indeed. Tangwan de shall final on indeed. Test a on and taught ki on. Test on, exam on indeed, assignment latching ka university, homework a latching ka primary kana secondary. Noun forms: listening, liang. I am listening and liangaja. I am listening and liangaja. Are you listening? Jin liangija. Are you listening? Jin liangija. Diyan nen gwasame ngwana gar karodian. Speaking, rach. I am speaking and racha. Are you speaking? Jin rachi. Speaking, ludana rach. I am speaking and racha. Are you speaking? Jirachi. Writing, guar. Writing, guar. I am writing and guara. I am writing and guara. Are you writing? Jin gori. Ka question form. I am writing and guara. Are you writing? Jin gori. Reading, queen. Reading, queen. I am reading and quena. I am reading and quena. Are you reading? Jin queni. Are you reading? Jin queni. Name question form. You can see our sentence change here. Let's say it listening with liang in Tognat, but when it come into the sentence, it change. The reason is because we have this noun here. Are you listening? These pronouns I will change how this noun appear in the sentence. I am listening and liangaja. Huh come in form of I. I mean an. But when it is put in the sentence, it change its meaning or the way it sound. And liangaja, I am listening. Please keep on reading this. It will help you. This is Learning English and Tognat. Word form listening is speaking, writing, reading. If you are new to this channel, please, I would like you to keep on reading. Listen, lingni, lianga, speak, write-ni, rache, write, gori, guare, read, queni, quene, etc. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.